feel like
Oh yeah, wow, oh yeah. Oh wow, that's a huge difference in acceleration. Wow. All right guys, this morning we're going to be driving a Carrera T, and this Carrera T is tuned with a GIAC ECU tune, so we got about extra horsepower, extra torque, and this is a Carrera T, so you have the base engine, but it's lighter. You got the back seat delete, you got these beautiful carbon fiber seats, you have the GT2 RS glass, and most importantly, you have a manual transmission. So let's take it for a spin. All right, so let's take the Carrera T for a spin. We're gonna take it, we just happen to have a highway right next to us. And let's see, I just drove to this car meet, I just drove my base, and this is based off the same engine, but with the tune. So we'll see what the difference. So it's how much torque in 480?
it should be right around 470 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay. Fix the thing here. All right, let's see if we get a lane. Yeah, it does. It definitely feels, yeah, it feels more awake. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely feels more alive.
Yeah, I feel like
Oh yeah, wow, oh yeah. Oh wow, that's a huge difference in acceleration. Wow, and that was pretty low. I think we were about 3,000 or so doing it.
Right. Yeah, before I might have had to drop a gear to get to the right RPM.
Yeah, because we're in third gear, 59 miles an hour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big time. Wow. Wow. Well worth it. So it's just an ECU tune, you just plug it in.
That's it.
Wow.
Maybe 10 minutes on the through the OBD port.
Oh wow.
And you tune.
And then it saves your stock settings and stuff like that, or?
I can't go back to stock. I'm not sure if they save it. I'm not sure how that works.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels like so much more alive.
It's got that shove in your back, which it didn't have before.
Right. Wow. I'm surprised. Because I've heard all different things. Yeah, there's a difference. Yeah, there isn't a difference. There was definitely a difference.
Oh, there totally is.
Yeah. Now, the Carrera Ts, you have the shorter gearing. You save about, I believe, 44 pounds if you delete the rear seat. Only about 11 pounds if you don't. You have the GT2 RS glass in the back and the back sides. And obviously you have the limited production with about 800 cars produced, give or take. You could get these in PDK or a manual transmission. And we're sitting in the carbon buckets, and it's hard to get in and out of them, but once you're in them, they're super supportive, way more supportive than I have. And then you have Sport Chrono, so you have rev matching.
Yeah.
So I don't have Sport Chrono, so I have to rev match myself. Yeah, wow, it rev matches really well. I'm driving with one hand because somehow my headgear is falling off. But yeah, I noticed the difference, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. So it's really like 4,000 RPM, it seems to come alive.
Yep, yep.
And that's, you know, my car, I really have to rev it out. Though you do feel the difference with the turbos compared to the naturally aspirated car. But, so any of the turbos are faster.
Yeah.
But this is a huge difference over my car. Now, to be fair, our cars, the bases aren't really 370. They really dyno at closer to 390. Wow. Oh my. Clutch be damned.
Yeah.
Jeez. Now this car has some lowering springs on it?
Yeah, it's got the Tech Art lowering springs.
Okay. Yeah, I felt it when we went over the bump there.
Yeah. Pretty good balance between comfort and performance, I think.
Oh yeah, and a good look too. These cars look a lot better lowered. You got less wheel gap.
Yep. You'll get lower in H&Rs, but the ride's a lot rougher.
Yes, yes. H&R is a crude but effective way of lowering your car.
Yep.
Now, I don't really notice the, I know it has lower gearing. I can't say by driving it, at least right now, that I notice it. But you do get the, like compared to my car.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Different ratios.
Yeah. Because that's another advantage of the T.
Yes.
I just wanted Miami blue. Like, I would have loved a Miami blue T.
Such a nice color.
Yeah, and people wanted, literally for used cars, they wanted full sticker because of the color.
Right.
And I even reached out to some people that owned them, like at Renlist and stuff, and they wanted, you know, even if their car had 10,000 miles, they wanted full sticker because it was Miami blue T. I'm like, I love a Miami blue T, but I really, you know. So for me, the Miami blue is the #1 driving factor. I didn't care if it was a base,
Yep.
an S,
Yep.
GTS. But my hope was when I got the base that I was going to tune it and I'd make up the horsepower that way. Not that these cars, not that his car or my car or any base is slow from the factory. They're so much faster than the 901.1 cars with the naturally aspirated motor. The turbos make such a huge difference, you know. But who doesn't want more power, you know? I think our turn's coming up anyway. But yeah, this is awesome. Money well spent. And they cost about maybe $2 grand or so to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely worth it. I mean, to get so that's what, off the top of my head, like almost 100 more horsepower and torque.
It is. Yeah.
Wow. And it's a usable car, so you still have a car that's you know, under warranty. You still have, you know, Apple CarPlay and all the stuff you'd ever want.
Yep.
And now you'll see the difference here with the rev matching. This isn't me. Perfect rev match. And that's it. So guys, thanks for watching. That's our video of a tune Carrera T. I think you're gonna see me tune my car pretty soon. All right guys, so that was our ride in the Carrera T. Forgot a couple other things that reminded me after being in the T. So you have the, this car had Sport Cats on it. You have the door pulls on the Carrera T's. You have the Alcantara shifter and steering wheel on the Carrera T's. And then obviously you can get the seats, the sport buckets, which are a great option to have. You get the Carrera T Insignia. And he has the same wheels as I do, the 20-inch wheels. And then obviously it says Carrera T here. And amazing car. I definitely can see a tune coming very soon from my car. I think it's about $2 grand to do it. So the same steering wheel as mine, except it's Alcantara wrapped. And beautiful, beautiful car. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.